Hey there, congratulations on buying your SAD light from iProven. In this video I'd like to share some basics with you on how to use the device and what are the best practices and how you can find your own rhythm in using this device. So let's have a look at what's inside of the box. We have the box itself. We have the unit sub box with the device itself, and then we have extra long power cord with a Velcro wrap. We have the extra powerful charger, keep them together. We have the SAD light and an insert. This is the manual. So the device itself, here you'll find the on-off button. This is where the USB-C cable goes, and the stand, which is foldable. Then we have 3 buttons, one for the timer, one for the color picker, or is the color picker. We have white, sky blue, blue, and the light intensity. So a little bit on the placement of the device. Make sure the light will be able to reach your retina directly. Keep a distance between the device between around 6 to 24 inches is recommended, and you can keep the angle at between 10 o'clock, 2 o'clock, and anywhere around it. And then while you have the light on, you can just do your thing. I can have my laptop here, I can read a book, I can write, I can use my phone. So the cool thing of this device is that it has 3 colors and 5 intensities, so you can really play around with what works for you. We use this device even at the office with a lot of different colleagues, and they all have their different settings. So right now I'll show you what different settings there are. We have 3 colors that are operated by the color picker button here at the button. We have white, sky blue, and blue, as you already saw. And then for each of these different colors, we have 5 different intensity settings. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, sorry. And then it'll remember the intensity setting when you flip the color to another preference. So why would you do that? The white light consists of all the light and all the colors that are in the light spectrum, but can be a little intense to look at. The brightest setting of this one, measured at 4 inch, is 12,000 lux. The bluer ones require less of that brightness, and that means that it's easier on the eyes, and a lot of people like that better than the full spectrum. And it is proven that the blue light out of the full spectrum is like the light that influences your body most to produce the right hormones and, you know, give your circadian rhythm that boost that you are trying to give it. So some tips on using this device most effectively. Starting off is the timing. You want to time your sessions at roughly about the same times every day, because what you're doing is you're trying to boost your circadian rhythm, which is your internal clock, which regulates a lot of hormones, sleep and awake rhythm and things like that. And if you use this, daylight mimicking light to reach your retinas, your body will kind of reset and affect that circadian rhythm. And that's what you want to do. So when you have a good timing, it also helps for building your routine. So you'll want to have consistency over the days of using this device. So all the best with your device. Take it with you. It's super easy to take with you while at work. Beat that after lunch dip. We really wish that you will have a lot of benefit from it and feel energized and having a better sleep within a couple of weeks. Bye-bye.